I look a little rough, so don't even mind me because I'm about to get cute. Can you guys see what the wig looked like before it started lifting? I know I'm lifting it up. But that's like the hairline and stuff like that. It's like lifting up like a hoodie. Went from scalp to hoodie season real quick, okay? Okay, so while I go take this hoodie off, you feel me? I'm gonna put the video in of when I first got it done 2 weeks ago. My girl Jazz, she hooked me up, okay? If you live in Boston or Massachusetts, period, or if you're coming to Massachusetts at any point in time and you want to get laid and slayed, go see my girl Jazz on her page, The Main Attraction. I'm gonna put her link down in the bio so you can make an appointment, go to her page and see her work. She's phenomenal. Okay, she had my hair looking like scalp. Still to this day, even though this little hoodie, you know what I'm saying, is trying to show out, pop out, and embarrass me, people are still telling me my hair look like scalp. If that's not professionalism, perfection at its finest, I don't know what to tell you. So let me go get cute right quick, okay? I'm gonna come back. Bye. Before I go any further, please just click the subscribe button below. I don't know how you can be here right now and you're not subscribed to my channel. Straight up, click that button. Click it. I'm watching you. Click it right now. Alright, so I'm back, GlamSquad. I already told you what I was finna do. I was finna take a shower, wash my hair, get myself situated, and I even had time to wash Petunia hair. I did not get the chance to straighten the unit. I know she looks a little raggedy, like she done seen better days. She has, but it's okay. So this is what she looks like right after I washed her. Ooh, she moving. I didn't even T-pin her, honey. It's all good in the hood. But no, I'm apparently supposed to be human hair. I can't say that it's not. It did a really good job. It held up for 2 weeks. I didn't keep it on any longer than that because, you know, I was trying to protect my edges and whatnot. I don't like to wear wigs for a long time. So 2 weeks was just enough time, especially if you get it professionally done. It's only going to last about 2 weeks because the glue's going to start lifting. But I honestly, truly had no complaints for this unit. Again, the vendor did reach out to me to do a review on this wig beforehand. So in a way this video was sponsored, but not really because I'm giving my honest opinion. And I really love this wig, and I think the vendor was just starting out, so I'm not sure how many wigs they have or how many wigs they're developing. I hope they develop more because I would love to buy from them again. I'm gonna put the link in the bio for the initial review as well as the link in the bio to purchase this wig. Again, it was 14 inches. The quality is amazing. I think the color is 1B. It's looking kind of dark, but it's also looking very brown. Yeah, I really loved this wig. Just traditional bleach the knots and install it and you are ready to go. So as you guys know, I've only been doing like hauls and different things like that. I'm gonna start doing more videos where I sit down and talk to you guys, like mukbangs, incorporate some of my friends, even do a get to know me video so you guys get to know a little bit who I am, because I feel like you guys just kind of know me as like the shopaholic. You guys don't really know who I am outside of that or what I like to do or any of that fun stuff. So be on the lookout for definitely more hauls because I can't stay out of the stores and I can't stay offline. I went shopping at Eco Official and I got shoes from them, so keep yourself posted for that one. I'm gonna come out with a shoe haul for that one, and as well as like mukbangs and different get to know me's and Q&A's and would you rathers and all those different fun games like that. I will be posting those on my channels with friends. Also, I am doing a giveaway. Once I get to 2,000 subscribers, I am doing a giveaway. I am almost there. I think I'm like 1,800 and something. I might be doing a giveaway by the end of this week because you guys just love me so much and my subscriber count goes up by like hundreds every day and it's just so beautiful and I cannot be any more grateful. Thank you guys so much. I am also working on a project, so get excited. I will come out and talk about that more when I'm situated with that. I'm also going to put the link in the description down below for the nice young lady who did my hair, this install. If you live in Massachusetts, book a seat in her chair because she's out here slaying everybody, honey. And guys, like, did you see this wig I made? Like, honey, I'll just be doing my thing or whatever, trying to stay cute, trying to stay fly on a budget, you feel me? Oh, but anyways guys, I need to let you go and enjoy the rest of your day. So if you like this video, like, comment, subscribe, share, and don't forget to what? Tell your mom, tell your brother, tell your auntie, tell your cousin, tell your friend, tell your boyfriend's sister about me, tell everybody you know about me and that you love me, okay? Bye guys.